guys, what's up? So I'm coming at you with a bare face and unfixed hair because today we are coloring our hair. Kaleidos was kind enough to send over this huge box of color. So I want to share with you guys what they sent over. They also sent over, hold on, this big trunk case as well. So if you would like to see what they sent over and see the hair color tryout, then just stay tuned. Okay, a little disclaimer, you guys. I sound a little like plugged up, stopped up, whatever. The allergies here today are insane. All right, so inside this huge box here, they sent over, let's open it up, all of this hair color, you guys. So much hair color. So this brand literally just launched their hair color line. So I am really thankful and excited to be one of the first to try it out. So look at how huge these pouches are. Here's my hand and here is the pouch. They are humongous. They sent over 4 of this Dream Luck shade. This looks like it's gonna be like a purpley blue. Very, very pretty. They sent over 4 of this pink potion shade. And they sent over 1 of their pastel mixers. So these 2 shades can be made into a pastel using some of this mixer. These are semi-permanent hair colors. They are cruelty-free and vegan. There is no alcohol or ethyl alcohol, no chemical preservative, no synthetic fragrance, no ammonia, no peroxide, and no PPD. This is a gentle formula hair color that has provitamin B5, avocado oil, and coconut oil to ensure the hydration. Next, inside this trunk, this is super cool. It just pops open like so. And then the inside looks like that. Very, very cool. And inside here is a bunch of hair coloring tools. So we have a little Kaleidos mixing bowl. We have some gloves. Inside this cute little duster here, we have a metal Kaleidos hair clip, which is so super cute. It's like all one color, so it's kind of hard to see, but it says Kaleidos right there. Super cute. Kind of looks like a butterfly or a dragonfly. And then inside this duster bag here, we have 2 of the dual-sided hair coloring combs. We've got a bigger hair coloring brush here for bigger sections of the hair. 4 of these gator clips. These are so helpful when you need to do sections and part off your hair. And last but not least, this detangler brush, which is so, so pretty. It says Kaleidos there as well. It's kind of hard to see because my lights, but super cool. I cannot wait to try this out. All right, so let's get to coloring. Okay, so first impressions, it smells really good. It smells like coconut with a slight sweeter smell. I don't know if that's the avocado oil or not, but it's nothing overpowering. It's not going to make you like headachy or nauseous. It smells really good, really fresh. Love it. Okay, so I have a wedding to go to in the middle of April, so I want to stay in the pink realm with my hair because her color is pink. I am going to dye my hair on camera so you guys can see, but since it already is pink, it might be difficult to see the true nature and potential of Kaleidos hair color. But I did go ahead and pick up some platinum blonde hair extensions so we can see the true potential of Kaleidos hair color. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 1 extension the purple, 1 extension the pink, and then 1 extension both colors, but with the pastel. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put on 1 of the gloves that come in the pair. And we are just going to go ahead and start coloring. I'm going to pour just a tiny bit onto my hair. Ooh, that is bright. And I'm just going to start rubbing this in. I am not bleaching, as you can tell, but that's why I got the extensions, so we can really see the true nature of this color on blonde hair. But it's kind of cool though, because we'll also get to see how it takes on not bleached hair as well. All right, I'm going to tell you right now that if you get Kaleidos color, you're definitely going to want to bleach your hair. I can already tell that this is probably not going to take on my roots. So yeah, I probably should have bleached them, but I don't have all that at the moment. And I'm also trying to kind of grow my hair out, and bleach is like a big damager to hair. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. It is a thicker, more hair mask-like texture, so it is going to stay in place when you put it on the hair. It's not going to run, so you don't have to worry about this getting all down the sides of your face, the back of your neck. I know some of my girlies out there know what I'm talking about. Okay, so it says to wait 35 minutes for this color. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and while I do that, we will do the extensions. Okay, so here we have our first hair extension, and I'm just gonna put some pink on that. Okay, I'm just depositing a pretty good amount of that pink, and we're just gonna brush it through the hair using our double-ended hair color brush. Okay, so what I've done here is I've just folded that plastic over on top of that extension, and I'm going to work on the next extension right here. So now we're going to do the purple and see how that turns out.
Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know.
Okay, so there are our extensions. I'll tell you right now, the purple is way more pigmented than the pink. Okay, so I'm going to start with the rest of the pink in this container here. Okay, I'm going to do about that much. So we still have like this much product left in this little container. And now we're going to take our pastel mixer. And for this, the lighter you want your shade to be, the more of this you will mix. So I am going to do a pretty hefty amount of this to make it a true pastel. Let's do about that much and see how that looks. I'm going to apply this pastel pink right here up at the top. All right, so now I'm going to do that same routine using the purple. So I'm going to start with a little bit of this purple in here like so. I think I'm going to do less of the purple because it's more pigmented, and then more of the pastel. All right, so as you can see, that totally changed that color. So, so pretty. All right, so I'm gonna let those sit for 35 minutes, and then we will rinse them out as well as my hair, and I'll be back to show you guys the final product on both the extensions and my real hair. Okay, you guys, this is the pastel one. I literally just rinsed it with lukewarm water in my sink here, and the color completely washed out. So I wanted to bring you guys in the bathroom with me and rinse the other two extensions out and see if the color stays in those. So hold on just a moment. Okay, so here we have the purple one. I'm gonna do some lukewarm water again. Washing out. No soap, just water. Completely washing out. Staining my hands, but washing right out of the extension. Wow. Just for shits and giggles, let's go ahead and rinse the color out of this one. And it's rinsing right out of this one as well. And I also rinsed the pink out of my hair. And as you can see, it didn't touch the roots, which it does say on the back of the little packets that pre-lightened hair is recommended. But to be honest with you, I don't see a change in the actual color of my hair either. So just for the sake of this video, I am going to go ahead and lighten my roots, do this whole process over again, and see if that works. I have wasted a whole day doing this video with no outcome. I literally just rinsed my hair like we did in the sink with the extensions. No shampoo, no conditioner, just rinsing. This blows my mind. So I have tried a lot of hair color companies that will dye the roots until I shampoo the hair, and then the roots will start to show again. But this color didn't even touch the roots. It didn't even touch my scalp either. But it's on my hands. So that's kind of, I don't know, very weird. My hair does smell good, at least. When I rinsed this out, I only used lukewarm water. I didn't use shampoo, didn't use conditioner. And this is what we're left with. So yeah, I will go ahead and lighten my roots and try this whole process again. And not only for the sake of the video, but also because I'm extremely curious whether or not it's gonna take. All right, and here is the hair after having the color on for literally an hour. I did not shampoo it. I just rinsed it out with water. There are some areas of my hair that it did not take. There's some patches that are blonder than others. Let's see. It's not ugly. It's just not what I thought it was gonna be. When I was putting that pink on my hair, I thought it was going to be that pink, you know, but it's not by any means. It kind of is brassy, isn't it? And still blonde in some areas. It's like you walk into a salon or something and you give them a picture of what you want, and then you walk out with something completely different. Like your expectation is totally different going in than what you get. You know what I mean? So, yeah, it's not ugly by any means. It's just not what I thought it was going to be. Will I rock this for a little while? Of course. But yeah. Let me know what you guys think. If I only rinsed this out with water, I can only imagine what shampooing it would do. I would probably have blonde roots again. On the back of these containers, it says color lasts 10 to 20 washes and fades beautifully on tone. This already looks faded to me. And I doubt that this would last 10 to 20 washes. I wanted to like this company so bad, you guys. Look at that blonde patch. I feel like this color would be perfect for someone who doesn't want to fully commit to a bright, bold color. But yeah, if I'm committing to coloring my hair, I want my hair to be colored. I don't want to give this company a full 100% negative review because we did only try one color in my hair. Maybe that pink just isn't as pigmented as the other colors, but the whole thing that really blows my mind is the extensions. It dyed the clip, but didn't touch the hair. And as you guys saw, it stained my fingers. So that's just very confusing. I don't know. So maybe after the wedding, when I'm done with the pink, I can do like an updated video for you guys and we can try the purple together and see how that goes. And then maybe I can give my final review on this product. I will probably use the rest of these colors maybe to do some pastel kind of hair or something along those lines. I feel like these work better if you're wanting to achieve a lighter, you know, more pastel effect. You don't even need the pastel mixer because it's already pastel. Anyways, you guys, let me know down in the comments below what you think. Will you try out Kaleidos color? Will you not? I do, however, want to say thank you to Kaleidos for sending me this stuff to try. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.